guys, I'm Kate Henderson. I quit my 9-to-5 to be a personal trainer, and now I'm making the leap to open my own chain of gyms, KateActive. My biggest worry right now is not getting the funding and finding a partner that will support me as my business grows. Now, like outdated gyms, banks have struggled to innovate. Disjointed services and closed technology mean they haven't kept up with my expectations. But then I was introduced to AstraBank, a digital bank powered by Finastra. They're very different, open, innovative, and simply much faster at delivering what I need. They are open because Finastra's core solutions are open API enabled and exposed to an open development platform for third-party developers to build new apps. They are fast, delivering new services in days, not months. And with Finastra's platform and app store, new services can be launched at speed. They are innovative because through co-creation and embracing innovation from outside, they have unlimited potential to evolve with my needs. AstraBank have recommended a range of small business packages tailored to my needs. It's easy to compare and get started. I was actually expecting the onboarding process to take weeks, but here I can open an account, set up my cards, and get a loan all at the same time. Normally, there's a disconnect between opening an account and getting a loan, and it causes delays, and I need to resend information and wait for it all to be checked. With AstraBank, one picture and it's done.
FusionFabric.cloud enables AstraBank to integrate the latest digital ID services and company verification data from the market and automate credit and compliance checks. At AstraBank, my relationship manager, Jeff, instantly has all the information in Microsoft Dynamics, his CRM. He can even drill directly into LinkedIn to verify I am who I say I am.
With all this data at his fingertips, Jeff can approve my loan without further internal checks or delays. All the processes come together on a single platform. Now I have a loan, I need to get paid. AstraBank's app even helps me with running my business. I can set up a request money process to collect membership fees with a recurring payment instruction, cutting out a lot of the paperwork. I'll also get a more real-time view of my cash flow. A few years on, and I'm a household name. My fitness channel on YouTube went crazy, and memberships skyrocketed. I went from a small business customer of AstraBank's into a global operation with 78 gyms around the world. I now have complex international needs, which I need my bank's support on. I need instant insight into working capital to identify risks and funding gaps, even while I'm on the go. AstraBank offers me one view of global operations, giving me the analytics to understand my business right now, predict the future, and even get AI recommendations to improve cash flow and investments. Gaining this insight across borders, bank accounts, and in real time was increasingly a struggle. But with FusionFabric.cloud, AstraBank makes it easy to connect the latest business intelligence software to data from its own systems, other banks, and corporate treasury, ERP, and accounting platforms. It orchestrates my digital financial world so I can see where my business is in real time. We have used most of our available credit, and after the holiday rush, memberships are starting to drop off. So to kickstart my Asia Pacific expansion and open our first gym in Sydney, I think I'm gonna need a new, more complex loan. Collaboration is key to my partnership with AstraBank. Jeff is a busy guy, but I need to get this loan sorted. The great news is that AstraBank is like an extension of my business. My online service links directly with Jeff's CRM, Microsoft Dynamics, and Outlook, so I can see his availability in real time and make an appointment. At the meeting, Jeff enters my facility request, and his CRM pulls company and credit information, financials, and compliance data from AstraBank systems, saving days of gathering all the necessary documentation. There is no need to cover old ground. He has a 360-degree view, all in his CRM. And with Microsoft Dynamics, Power BI, and FusionFabric.cloud, Data from open API-enabled core systems feeds a real-time view of risks, profitability, cash flow, and the bank's ability to lend.
By the time I get back to the office, the loan offer has already come in, and we'll have the funds soon.
In Sydney, I want the same high-tech equipment as all of my gyms. This treadmill is from China, and both Jeff and my procurement team highlighted some risks with one of the major suppliers I work with. Now, luckily, because AstraBank is truly connected, I can easily execute trade finance agreements against my facility to mitigate these risks. The whole process is seamlessly integrated in my portal, where I can manage letters of credit and associated documents electronically. I can track shipments and invoices against purchase orders as well.
In the background, FusionFabric.cloud is connecting AstraBank's trade finance applications with a solution that can both digitize and run AI-driven compliance checks on trade documents to speed up the process. And of course, the bank's lending and trade finance core systems are talking to each other in real time too.
It's not only Jeff that helps me. AstraBank has a digital advisor, Sozo, to help me manage risks and optimize working capital. The letter of credit has triggered a recommendation to hedge the FX risk from the Chinese renminbi to the US dollar exchange rate.
Sozo sits on FusionFabric.cloud, and it's powered by cognitive conversation engines like Conversation One. It can also draw from FX market sentiment intelligence from fintechs like Infotree to highlight future exchange rate risks. Here, I can see the volatility and execute an FX forward immediately. That has just reduced the cost of paying my suppliers and saved me and my treasury team a job.
Running your own business, large or small, can be daunting. By partnering with a bank that breaks down the barriers of closed technology with Finastra's open development platform, I could access the best services available at every step of my journey, all from one place. My bank is ready to embrace innovation, whether from within or from the wider fintech world. They have already taken self-service to the next level with robo-services and AI-driven advice, but also empowered staff to get access to the information and analytics they need to build deeper relationships with clients like me. Finastra's FusionFabric.cloud platform is revolutionizing the banking industry with an open development platform for creators in the fintech ecosystem to access Finastra core systems. Innovation feeds on collaboration. The future of KateActive is bright. The future of finance is open.